Stretching on the bed first thing in the morning. Before you get out of your bed, just do some wonderful stretching to start your day. Energize and ready to go. So by starting on the bed, we can just sit in a comfortable position and twist the body to one side. It's just morning time. We want to settle the body, twist into the other thigh. You make and feel the spine. Just a couple of breaths. Extending the right side of the body. Feel that stretch. And let's just do the other side. Doesn't take too long, just settle in the body. Just breathe in the meantime. And let's just come back to the center. Moving the shoulders. There is one pose that I love to do when I'm in the bed. So I just turn my body sideways. And this is very easier to carry on the bed because the support of the mattress is helping you to accommodate your body. So by opening the legs to the side and letting gravity work, this will help you to slowly open the hips. And if you want to add more to the stretching, extend the arms above your head. We can hold this pose at least for 2 or 3 minutes. Getting your knees together, holding the knees closer to the chest. And twisting to one side. Switching to the other side. And let's just get the day ready. We are good to start our day. I hope this practice can help you to energize the body. Namaste.